Nature's Touch is steered by the desire to defend the body against harmful bacteria. We use natural aloe to actually moisturize while we sanitize. With a flash point of 105 degrees, Nature's Touch is safe for storage in the car and for transportation. If you plan on using hand sanitizer throughout the day, Nature's Touch is for you. With natural ingredients, our formula exemplifies quality and reliability to revitalize your skin. Purchase quality and high formulated hand sanitizer from Nature's Touch to protect your skin today.
She said, like knives in the back of my head. Over and over, she said, I just got good for the weather. So take your wedding bands and your drunken friends. I just can't keep you together. I'm no good, you're no better. Don't point no, I'm loaded gun in my head. Over again. Don't point no, I'm loaded gun in my head. 'Cause I'll pull the trigger. If you ever come home, you look for me. Hang up your head.